Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix CookieRun Kingdom app not opening and walk you through some easy steps to solve the problem on your phone. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or in the apps drawer. Step 2. Within the menu, scroll down and see the Apps option, and click on it to proceed. This will let you manage all the apps installed on your device. Step 3. From the Apps menu, either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. Type in the name CookieRun Kingdom app, then tap on the search result to open the app settings. Step 4. From the app info page, scroll down and tap on the storage option. Here you'll see two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on both options one by one to reset the temporary files. Step 5. If clearing the cache and data doesn't fix it, try updating the app. To do that, go back to your home screen, open the Play Store app, then tap on the search bar and type CookieRun Kingdom app and search it. Step 6. Now select the search result, and if there's an update option available, tap on it to install the latest version. If you don't find any update button, you can reinstall the app instead. Tap on Install, confirm it, then hit Install and wait a few moments. After that, open the app, log into your account, and check if the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.